To export your results to an Excel spreadsheet, once you have had all of students' responses turned in that you want to be able to look at, and all of them have been assigned a correct answer, you need to open up your browser. And it doesn't matter which browser you open up, you just need to go to the far right one, which is the voting browser. If you scroll down, it says where the results browser is. If you expand that, there's a place down here that shows where all the questions were asked, what time they were answered, and what page they were on. On the bottom right, there's the option to hit Export to Excel. When you click this button, it gives you the option to save the file wherever you would like and give it a name. So if I go ahead and export this to my desktop and I save it, I can minimize my flip chart, and now I can take a look at my Excel spreadsheet I just created. When I click on it to open, it's going to show me a summary page of all questions and answered, as well as it will give me the tabs to break out each question and answer that pertain to each student. In order to have the names assigned and to be able to actually see who answered what, you will need to have the student devices assigned, whether you use a class database or have students name them. You can see here I've got one user with the name nick.com, which is a website, and then I have one that's in unnamed mode, it's just device 1. But what I can see is it's saying there's a total of 3 questions that they have. It tells you how long they took to respond, and you can see here, which answers they had right, they had 3 answers correct for Nick and 2 answers correct for the unnamed one. And you can see what the questions were. As you come to the questions as well, if you want to, you can, instead of looking at the summary, look at each individual question. Okay, so it allows you to be able to look at what each student responded to, as well as the entire summary page for the entire session that you ask students questions. Most electronic gradebooks allow you to import the answers from an Excel spreadsheet. So this is the format you might want to use if you're trying to record student participation or student scores.